Hey folks, this is Invest in America podcast. I'm your host. As said not too long ago, I was going to start doing some educational things on publicly traded black-owned companies, and there are four that I'm going to concentrate on. And every time I talk about them, the Black American Index or Index Fund or Black American Fund, this is just purely education. I'm not here telling you to buy something or not buy something. I'm just simply saying, hey, here are some things, here are some companies I think you should check out. And I've got, I want to share information on all the black-owned publicly traded companies. Now, as far as I know, as of today, there are only maybe 12 such companies. And out of that 12, I'm thinking 2 or 3 might have gone out of business. I'm still doing some investigation on that. But out of that 12, I did choose 4 that I'm really keen on, that I really like and I closely follow. And one of them is American Shared Hospital Services. Their ticker symbol is AMS. At the present time, as of this time, their stock sells at $3.22. That's at the present time. Now, as you know, on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, a stock price, the price of a stock it fluctuates, it goes up and down. But American Shared Services, I've noticed that I'm receiving information here that they've had a 40% growth over this year. 40% growth. Now I'm going to look into that a little bit more, but it's pretty good. I own a few shares of it, and I keep wanting to buy more shares of it. Here's my other favorite company. It's Carver Bank. I love Carver Bank. I don't know why, but I really like them a lot. And I've done a lot of research on them. And their ticker symbol is CARV. Now, they have been going down this past year. I mean, their price is going down. And I don't know what's going on, but I do know this. I don't think Carver Bank's going anywhere. I don't think it's anywhere close to being bankrupt. I think Carver Bank, as a company, is experiencing what a lot of companies are experiencing. It's just not the best of times right now. But my personal opinion is that I think it's a good company. I've seen no major issues with the company. I've bought some shares in it, and I'm going to stick with it. That's my attitude about Carver. And then there's another bank here. I mean, not a bank, but another company here. It's called, the ticker symbol is UONEK, okay, radio. And, I'm not really big in radio, to be honest with you, but it has some of the best urban radio programs in the country. And I think that folks are, on that alone, that company's going to do well. And again, the name of the company is Urban One. And again, their ticker symbol is UONEK. It's selling at $5.13. I'm showing that its stock price has been increasing over the past year, averaging a little over 20%. And then the third one here, this one I really like a lot. It's a real estate investment trust. They pay a dividend. Those other 3 companies, they don't pay dividends. I love companies that pay dividends. I'm into buying companies that pay dividends. And RLJ Lodging Trust, they pay a dividend. Their ticker symbol is RLJ. Again, check them out. I'm not saying buy this company, don't buy this company. I'm telling you, I have bought the company. I'm holding it, and I'm increasing whenever I can. I'm a struggling guy just like the rest of you out there. But I do know it's very important that when it comes to investing, you start immediately. You just get into it and stay into it. Over time, things do get better with you. Investing in stocks and buying publicly traded companies, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Oh, I'm going to get into Forex trading and become a millionaire. Don't be stupid. Well, I'm going to get into Bitcoin and become a millionaire. Don't be stupid. Stay away from other get-rich-quick stuff. You ever study the great investors? Ray Dalio. Well, I'll say William Buffett. I would say Peter Lynch. Definitely Peter Lynch. He's a legend. You know what the bulk of their success is? Buy good companies and hold on to them. They don't sell those good companies until those good companies are no longer good companies. They buy and hold. And that's the way to build wealth. That's the way to build personal wealth. That's the way to build family wealth. And that's the way to build generational wealth. RLJ is currently selling at about $12.74. Over the past year, according to my sources, it's gone down about 6%. But again, I don't think that's anything bad. I don't think it's an indication the company's about to explode or anything. There's a lot of good real estate investment trust companies. I mean, real estate investment trust companies that are bigger than RLJ, they've been going down too. And as a matter of fact, the percentage they've been going down, I'm seeing numbers double than what I'm showing on RLJ. So I feel comfortable in sticking with RLJ. I definitely feel comfortable about increasing my number of shares I own with RLJ. And here's what I would say to folks. Hey, check them out. Investigate them, research them. And again, one thing I like about RLJ is that they pay a dividend. And if you're a company that's paying a dividend, I'm definitely going to take a second look at you. You definitely know that. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with folks. I have a website, investnowamerica.org. Go check it out. Sign up for my blog newsletter, where I try to get a little bit more detailed information. I have no problem whatsoever in sharing great financial information videos. I firmly believe in that. And also, at that website, you'll hear about a young person's investment club I've started here in my city. Urban Invest Now Louisville is for young people, and it's basically where we just teach young people, particularly black youth, on how to get in the stock market as one way to build personal wealth, family wealth, and generational wealth. Again, my website address is investnowamerica.org. Check it out. Go there. Sign up for the blog newsletter, and also have the Facebook page, Invest Now America. Become a follower at that Facebook page. Really need you folks. Appreciate it. Love you to death.